Hi, this video is about how to make wooden slats on wall. In kitchen cabinet module, search for super and you will see this super plate. Drag it out and you may change the size here. So I will make it 1005, 2008, then I'll leave it up 2008, and then I will rotate it. Please rotate the panel instead of changing the height so that when you use the panel point editing, you can get the correct side to edit. Here I'll show you if you change the size directly without rotating. I'll change the height to 20 and the height to 2008. Yes, it seems easier to just change the size, but when I use panel point editing, this is what you will get. Okay, we can only do panel point editing on the top of the panel. Okay, on the top. So please bear in mind. Okay, let's get back to our wood slats. Let me change it to 1000. Then press B to enter board selection. Right click, panel point editing. Delete the existing panel, then draw the slat. So I'll make it 50. Okay, click on it and array. Let's say I array 10 horizontally with a gap of 10 mm and apply. There you have it. Save and return. You may then change the thickness here. Let's say I change to 60. Alright. Happy trying. Bye.